my dear students. Today we're going to learn about telling time. So, how we know the time? Yes, we know the time using watches, clocks, and sometimes mobile phones. So, let's start first talking about the analog clock. The analog clock is the clock which has two hands. One hand is long. The long hand is the minute hand, tells us the minutes. And one is short, and the short one tells us the hours. So let's take an example about what we learned before. Here, let's look first at the long hand. The long hand here is pointing to 12. So when the long hand is pointing to 12, we say o'clock. So what is the time? Yes, look at the short hand now. It's 1. It's exactly 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. What about the other example? Let's look at the short hand. Yes, 7. And what about the long hand? We said if it's on 12, we say o'clock. So what is the time now? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Let's go to another example. What if the long hand is pointing to 6? Yes, at Stratton, we say half past. Half past what? Oh, I'm so confused. Here I have the short hand between 3 and 4. So which one I should say? It's half past 3 or half past 4? Yes, we have to say here half past means after. So the short hand is after which number? Yes, it's after 3. So we say it's half past 3. So we take the small number. Always, when we see the word past, we take the small number. So it's half past 3. Half past 3. Again, half past 3. So again, the long hand on 6, we say half past. And what about the short hand? It's between 5 and 6. So, yes, we're going to take the small number as we said, because the short hand is after 5. So we go after 5. So we say half past 5. So again, when you see the word past, past means after. So I will say after 5, like this example. So again, when you see the word past, take the small number. Take the small number. So here it's between 5 and 6. I will take 5. And here, the long hand on 3. What does it mean? Yes, if the long hand on 3, we say quarter past. Again, if the long hand on 3, we say quarter past. Quarter past. And I said, when you see the word past, we go small. So I will go to 7. The short hand is between 7 and 8. I will take 7. So it's a quarter past 7. Quarter past 7. Can you solve the next one with me? Yes, the long hand on 3 we say quarter past. And the short hand between 9 and 10, I will go to the small one. So it's a quarter past 9. Quarter past 9. But here the long hand is on 9. What we say if the long hand on 9? As it's written here, quarter to. So if the long hand on 9, we say quarter to. So 9 means quarter to. So quarter to. Here I don't have the word past. I have instead the word two. So what should I say? If the shorthand is between 2 and 3, I will go to the big number. That means quarter to means I go to the next hour. I am going to the next hour. So I will take 3. Quarter to 3. Again, quarter to, if the long hand is pointing to 9. And now it's a quarter to what? Yes, I'm going to the next number after the shorthand. So it's quarter to 6. Because when you see the word quarter, I go to the next hour, the big number. So to go to the big number. When you see 2, go to the big number. Now, let's learn more. The long hand is not only pointing to 12, 3, 6, or 9. Sometimes it's pointing to 1, 2, 4, 5, and any other number. So now we are going to learn how to know the time while the long hand is pointing to any other number. So we have two sides. This side is the past side. Again, this side is the past side. And this side is the to side. So here, when we go this side, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number in here, we use the word past. And when the long hand is pointing to any number in here, we use the word to. So when the number is 1, so we say 5 past. If it's 2, we say 10 past. 3, we say 15 past or quarter past. 4, we say 20 past. So we have an easy way to know the minute's hand is looking to which number. So we count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And the other side, we use the word to and we also count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So again, here is the side past and here the side of 2. So here count by 5 to know the minutes hand showing us what, and here also count by 5. Now let's read the time of these clocks. I said when we have the long hand on this side, we say past. We say past. And now to know the minutes, we count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15. So this long hand is pointing to 15 minutes. So now how to write the time? Use the past word and then count by 5 to get 15. And after that, we look at the hour hand. The hour hand is pointing to, someone is going to say it's between 11 and 12. So I will say go to the small. When you see the word past, go to the small. So it's past 11. It's after 11. It's past 11. So it's 15 minutes past 11. What about the other clock? Yes, I will start using past. And then I'm going to count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 minutes passed. Past what? Yes, I will take 5, which is the small number. Now let's go to the other side. Here, the long hand in the other side of 2. So, I will use the word 2. I will use the word 2 because on this side, I use the word 2. So first I will write 2, then count by 5. So let's count by 5 together. 0, 5, 10. So here it's 10 minutes to. What about the hour hand? The hour hand tells us what? It's between 8 and 9. But I will go to the big number. When you see 2, go to the big number. So I will go to 9. Again, another example. So first of all, look at the long hand. The long hand on 2 sides. Now, let's know the minutes. The minutes is to count by 5. To know the minutes, count by 5. Again, to know the minutes, count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, there are 25 minutes to. When you see 2, go to the big number. Which is the big or the next number? Yes, I will go the number after the shorthand. So I will go to 1. So it's 25 minutes to 1. Here, let's solve these examples together. Here, the long hand on which side? On the past side. So I will write past. And now let's know the minutes. How to know the minutes? Count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 minutes past. 3 or 4? Yes, go to the small. Past, go to the small. 3. 25 minutes past 3. Here, this is the side of 2. Let's know the minutes. Count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. So I will use the word 2 and then I will write 20 minutes and then the hours. I said when you see the word 2, go to the big number. 10 or 11? Of course it's 11. Thank you grade 2 for watching.